Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we got your daily update for the Shiba Inu coin, where we talk the latest news, take a look at the price, take a look at the charts, talk about price prediction. But first guys, just want to give you guys a big thank you for all the feedback in yesterday's video. I was asking all of you to comment on whether you wanted one daily video, multiple videos a day, and I got a lot of great feedback from a lot of you and a lot of diverse answers. Some people just wanted one video per day. Some people only wanted videos if there were big updates. Some people wanted a video in the morning, so when they wake up in the morning and they're drinking their coffee, they can hear all the latest information, and then another video before bed or sometime in the evening or at night, so they can rest assured when they go to sleep that they have all the information they need. And some people just want to hear as much information as possible and have as many videos as possible. So guys, thanks so much once again for all the feedback. So please stick around, because as we move forward, I'm going to be taking your suggestions and making these improvements in the channel as we move forward. So get ready for more exciting things to come. And of course, if you want to be a part of this family, if you want to be a part of this growing community, please consider subscribing and turning on those post notifications. I would really appreciate that. And if you like free money, if you like free stocks, sign up for WEBULL. I have a link in the description below. And if you sign up and deposit $100, you're going to receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. And guys, if you don't like the companies, if you don't like the stocks for whatever reason, once you have them, you can just sell them and keep that money. So it's a win-win situation. And they just updated their mobile app today, so I've been using it all day. And all I gotta say is that I'm very impressed. So guys, please take a look, please check it out. Now, obviously, if you're an investor, if you're holding in Shiba Inu, you have noticed that it's been down about 30 to 40%. It's such a bad day, a really red day in the market. However, as you know, the entire crypto space is down. The entire market is down. It's looking like a crash. A lot of people are saying it's a crypto crash. So guys, don't get worried. Don't be nervous. Resist the paper hands. Don't let the paper hands tempt you. Don't think that you should sell. Don't panic. That's the worst thing you can do right now. If you let the paper hands, the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, doubt, and the panic selling kick in, all that's going to happen is the big whales, they're just going to pick up your position, right? You're going to sell and they're just going to pick up those dips. And then when Shiba recovers and the whole market recovers, you are going to just regret it. Regret selling. So guys, try to hang on, try to stay strong. Shiba Army all the way. So here we are looking at coinmarketcap.com. As you can see, Bitcoin is trading in the $37,000, $38,000 range. This is ridiculously low. Now, if you remember, just last month, April 14th, Bitcoin hit its all-time high of like $64,000. And earlier today, Bitcoin hit a low of $31,000. So that's less than 50% of the price as it was last month on April 14th. And what's really exciting, look at the volume at Bitcoin. It is up over 130% in the last 24 hours. So of course, there's a lot of weak paper hands out there that are panic selling, but there's a lot of buying right now. A lot of people buying the dips, especially a lot of the big whales. So really the best thing you can do right now is just hold. If you have extra money, you can also buy. However, this isn't financial advice, but you got to remember, in times like these prices are so low, they may never be this low again. But just because these prices are extremely low, please don't go out and do something silly like get a loan or borrow money or use money you shouldn't, or use money that you're going to need in the short term or the near future. Guys, please don't do it. If you have a position, if you're already holding, just hold on strong. Hold, right? That's all you got to do. Now, obviously, if you're in a situation, in a financial situation that you need the money and you have to sell, well, then you got to do what you got to do, right? That only makes sense. However, we may not even be at the bottom right now. We still may continue to go lower in price. We're not too sure yet. Who knows? Nobody actually knows right now. Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, we will definitely have a reversal at some point and we will be back in the green. Now, still here on coinmarketcap.com, you can see the global crypto market cap is 1.62 trillion, a 14.85% decrease over the last day. So almost down 15%. But here's some good news for a change. Shiba Inu, SHIB, is the second, number 2 on the most viewed cryptocurrencies on coinmarketcap.com. So number 2, guys, this is amazing. With Bitcoin being number 1, which makes sense because, as I mentioned earlier, just over a month ago, April 14th, Bitcoin was at $64,000, and now we saw today earlier at $31,000 and currently in the $38,000 range. Alright guys, so let's talk about the price. Let's look at the price prediction. Let's take a look at the charts here for Shiba Inu. So as you can see, we are ranked number 30 on coinmarketcap.com. So Shiba Inu is currently at 0.00009685. So that's 5 zeros followed by 9685, down 32% in the last 24 hours. It's actually coming up a little bit because it was down about 40% not too long ago, just a few hours back. Now, very interesting is the volume. Following suit to Bitcoin, volume is up on Shiba Inu, 3.4 billion in the last 24 hours, which is an increase of over 82%. Guys, this is incredible. So a lot of people panic selling, of course, but a lot of people really taking advantage of buying those dips and possibly some huge whales coming in as well. Of course, the market cap is down due to the price. So as you see, it's 3.8 billion, which is down 32%. Okay, gonna switch over to CoinGecko.com. So as you can see in the 1 hour, SHIB is up 3.4%. Great news right there. 24-hour period down 32% as we just talked about earlier. The 7-day down 47%. But here's where it gets interesting, as it always does. In the 14-day up 462%. Wow. And the 30-day up 167%, guys. So obviously the last week hasn't been so nice as it's been in the red, but 14-day to 30-day, so in that longer period of time we are up. So that's what it's all about, guys. It's having that patience, not giving into these paper hands. Often when I post a video, I stay up a little bit later because sometimes I post my videos pretty late and I'm watching the comments and I'm responding to people in the comments, and there's always a ton of comments where people are saying, hey, it's down now, what's going on? Should I sell? And sometimes it's funny because it's only been down for the day or for the last few hours. So I'm thinking like, what are you worried about? Take a break, get away from your computer, stop looking at the charts, focus on something else. Now, many of you have maybe already heard this quote from Warren Buffett, and he says, the stock market is a device to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. And this holds true in the crypto market as well, not only the stock market. And guys, this is true. This is facts. And you know, in my time, in my very early days of trading, I panic sold a couple times. I had those issues where I had weak paper hands, and I always regretted it because every single time at some point, the position I was in did a reversal and came back into the green. Because at the end of the day, you're only at a loss when you actually sell your position. So if you're holding and your position is down, you're not in a loss because you haven't sold. So you still have all your money in that position. Just like a gain, you don't make any money until you sell your position. Remember, guys, we are a community. We are a community-driven group. We are the Shiba Army, and people in the army, the military, are very strong individuals. You know, the army, the military isn't for everybody. You know, not everybody can handle the work that they have to do. So here's some breaking news. This is the latest update. As you can see on their Twitter, this was just released 1 hour ago. So from the SHIB token Twitter, as you can see, bone tokens. When Shiba Swap starts, the total supply of bone will be 0. So dig for farming or bury for staking. To earn them, you will use your SHIB and leash to get the rewards. And then just at the bottom there, if you see a bone token in the market today, it is not one from Shiba Swap. So guys, just be careful of all the scams going around. Which leads me to my PSA, guys. With all the amazing support you guys have given me, thank you guys once again for all the support. Now I've become a target for the scammers. As you see in the comments, people are impersonating me, my channel, Dash Finance, asking you to meet them on WhatsApp, message them on WhatsApp to send them money. Guys, I will never ever ask you to send me money, whether on WhatsApp or anywhere else. I'm doing my best to help prevent these people from posting on my channel, but it's just too difficult. They always seem to get by. There's too many bots out there. So guys, just be careful. Now guys, this is the juiciest piece of news I found out today. This is super, super exciting. So on the screen here, as you can see, this is the layout, the UI of Shiba Swap. Now, this has been put on multiple sites, Twitter, Reddit, etc. Now, many people are saying that this is fake, and this is not legit. But guys, let me tell you something. There are a couple posts from SHIB Informer that actually prove this is real. So the first one he writes, this is actually how the platform looks like. So I will say this leak is legit. At least people now will stop with the vaporware FUD. And then on another thread, he wrote, it's real. So guys, I believe this is real. I believe this is the UI and this is what Shiba Swap looks like. But of course, everybody wants that official confirmation. We want to see it on either their website or the SHIB token Twitter account. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think this is legit, or is somebody doing a damn great job trying to fool us? But whether this is real or fake, we are probably going to find out and hear an official word from SHIB token any day now. Now, just switching gears and going to etherscan.io, we can see that there is over 408,000 holders of Shiba Inu. So guys, this is great. This is all because of you, because of me, because of us, the Shiba Army, all contributing, all holding, and all holding strong. And of course, you still have the petitions out there for SHIB to be available on Robinhood and Coinbase as well. Now, that's great and all. And even though I'm not a huge fan of Robinhood, it still will allow others to be able to purchase SHIB. Easier access, easier availability. So even though I'm not a huge fan of Robinhood, it would still be a positive for the SHIB community. But I'm still wondering why there isn't a petition to have SHIB available on WEBULL. Alright guys, there you have it. There's your daily update for Shiba Inu for SHIB. Once again, thanks for all your feedback, guys. Thanks for all your support. I'm going to incorporate it. I'm just going to reanalyze things and get ready to make some changes, some improvements as we move forward and grow this great community we have with the Shiba Army. As mentioned, if you want to grow with us, if you want to join our great community, please consider subscribing and turning on those post notifications. And if you like free money, of course, join WEBULL. Link in the description below. All you gotta do is deposit $100 and you're going to get 2 free stocks guaranteed. That could be valued up to $1,850. And like I said earlier, you can sell them and just keep that money for yourself, or put it back into SHIB, right? Especially now with these prices being so low, buying in on those dips. And that way you don't actually have to use your own money, or money that you don't have or that you might need. Alright guys, I'll meet you back here tomorrow for your latest daily update for Shiba Inu for SHIB. Stay strong, Shiba Army. And as always, happy trading, happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.